We at SDM, Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry are committed to cater to the needs from 1 day to 14 years old with compassion, dedication and care to tender smiles with a twist of play. Hello doc. My child is 6 months old and I can see teeth erupting. Please check him up and let me what's to be done for him.
Sure madam, I will examine his oral cavity and explain you about the infant oral health care and preventive measures.
A baby's smile is an epitome of joy. Ensuring that this smile remains radiant and healthy throughout life requires early and consistent oral care. This comprehensive guide delves into the intricacies on offering practical advice and expert insights to parents and caregivers about oral hygiene practices and preventive measures. Oral health isn't solely about teeth, it encompasses the entire oral cavity, including the gums, tongue, and palate, tonsils. From 0 to 6 months, oral cavity do not possess any teeth, hence a thorough care for baby gums are advisable. Baby in this feeds primarily upon breast milk or formula milk. From birth, gently wipe your baby's gums with a soft, damp cloth after feedings. This helps to remove milk or formula milk residue and helps prevent bacterial buildup. Prolonged bottle feeding, especially at night before sleep, should be avoided as the sugars in milk pool around the teeth once teeth start appearing in mouth causing decay. It is advisable to wean your baby off the bottle by their first birthday. Sippy cups can be a great tool for transitioning from bottles to cups at 6 to 7 months of age. Opt for sippy cups with spout lids that prevent liquid pooling around the teeth. However, limit juice intake and choose water as the primary drink. Furthermore, introduce solid food items at 6 to 8 months of age after weaning off milk. Your baby's first tooth erupts at around 6 months of age and helps in chewing, speech and maintaining space for permanent teeth to come. Teething is manifested with symptoms such as fussiness, swelling over the area, mild pain and discomfort, drooling of saliva, increased sucking behavior, low appetite in children, low-grade fever and hypersalivation. Furthermore, diarrhea and constipation can be accompanied with it. Teething can cause discomfort and irritability. Offer your baby cold teething rings or a chilled, damp cloth to soothe sore gums. Consult your periodontist for over-the-counter pain relievers. These topical medicaments are available in form of jellies, ointments and can be applied over the gums to relieve the symptoms. Also, teething toys can be given to bite over it. Vegetables such as carrot and coconut can be used. As soon as the first teeth erupts, it's time to start brushing your child's teeth. Use a soft, infant toothbrush or finger toothbrush with fluoridated toothpaste, no larger than a grain of rice. Gently brush their teeth and gums twice a day for child of 1 to 6 years old. Hold the toothbrush at a 90-degree angle to your teeth and place the bristles on the outer surfaces of the teeth. Now, use a wide, gentle circular motion to brush the teeth, covering 2 to 3 teeth at a time. Scrub over the outer surfaces of all teeth, moving from the front teeth to the back and extending the same circular motion for the inner surfaces of the teeth. A back and forth scrubbing motion for the top of molars are advisable. Brush for at least 2 minutes, ensuring that all surfaces are cleaned. As children grow older, around 7 to 8 years, they can switch to more advanced techniques which provides more precision and effectiveness for older children and adults in cleaning their gums and teeth. Hold the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gum line. The bristles should touch both the teeth and the gums. Use small, vibrating strokes with gentle, back and forth vibrating motions. Ensure you brush the outer surfaces, inner surfaces, and chewing surfaces of all teeth. Tilt the brush vertically and use up and down strokes with the tip of the toothbrush for the inner surfaces of the front teeth. 2 minutes of brushing your teeth, evenly distributing time across all areas, is sufficient. Also, advocating mouthwash diluted with water for rinsing of oral cavity twice a day is recommended for maintaining a good oral hygiene. Make brushing fun for the kids by using a soft, child-sized toothbrush with colorful characters or designs to make brushing time enjoyable. Lead by example and let your child see you brushing your teeth regularly to model good oral hygiene habits. Positive reinforce your child with rewards for good oral hygiene practices with praise and small incentives. Severe detrimental consequences such as decay during early childhood, premature shading and space loss arising due to negligence in oral health can lead to irregularly placed dentition. Taking care of your teeth since early age is extremely essential. Furthermore, sleeping with pacifiers on and malicious habits such as thumb or digit sucking have ill deformative effects on teeth and palate. Limit these habits by the age of 3. Hence, good oral hygiene habits, started early, set the stage for a lifetime of healthy smiles. Saving milk teeth or primary teeth play a crucial role in speech development, chewing, and saving space for permanent teeth to erupt uneventfully. On the contrary, excessive sugar consumption causes decay of teeth, which manifest as a serious dental problem in early childhood that can lead to pain, infection, and even tooth loss in young children. To prevent such decay and its sequel, it is essential to limit sugar intake and minimize sugary drinks, juices, and sugar, jaggery and sweet snacks, chocolate, cakes, breads, etc. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining oral health. Encourage your baby to eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits and vegetables, which promote saliva production and helps neutralize acids and wash away food particles. These foods help strengthen teeth and gums. Besides, dairy products contains calcium and phosphorus, which strengthen tooth enamel, and lean proteins, which contribute to overall growth and development. Fluoride is a mineral that strengthens tooth enamel, making it more resistant to acid attacks. Ensure your child receives adequate fluoride through tap water. If your household water has dissolved fluoride in it, your child will naturally ingest fluoride, whereas, in areas with non-fluoridated water, your dentist may recommend fluoride supplements or topical fluoride application for your child. Regular dental checkups are essential. It is recommended that the first dental visit of your baby should be by his/her first birthday. Early dental visits, as early as 6 months, when the first tooth erupts, help identify potential problems and establish a positive dental experience. Remember, a healthy mouth is the foundation for a healthy life. Let's make sure it shines bright for years to come.
Brush your teeth 2 times. 9 the chocolate ತಿನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ದಿನ 2 ಸಲ ಮೌತ್ ವಾಶ್ ಇಂದ ಬಾಯಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
I will wash my mouth